187 McKellar siding. Trying to finish up this siding. Pretty much completed over here, except for this one spot to move that line there, so we can put the finished siding on that spot, in that particular spot. Getting ready to go on around to the back. We pulled this old siding off. The insulation is there. We're gonna put the new siding up. Got to probably order 2 more boxes on that all the way around. Yeah, on this back side. We finished the front part of the house. Looks good. All the way up. Finished the front part. Now we got to deal with the back part. 187 McKellar siding. Signing off.